If you're suffering with no image output on your Xbox or your PlayStation, then you probably have a bad HDMI port. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I replaced the port here in my workshop at Danstar Electronics. This Xbox Series S came in with a loose HDMI port. At first glance, you can just about see that the port looks stretched, but inside it's worse. The entire port has been pushed back into the board. The pins that should have been soldered onto the motherboard, they're not visible at all. A good way to check for this kind of issue is to use a known working HDMI cable. If your console powers up and makes the usual sounds and behaves as if it's working, but your TV says no signal or going to sleep and just doesn't display an image, the HDMI port is likely the culprit. We've confirmed the issue, so now it's time to strip down the console and remove the motherboard. Along the way, we like to clean up any dust bunnies that might be hiding. Oh hey, Master Chief. Always a pleasure, sir. Back on Earth, we've now got access to the HDMI port. I start by applying some low melt solder to make removal easier. Once the damaged port is out, I clean up the pads, re-tim them with fresh solder to prepare for the new port. The replacement port is installed with a combination of hot air for positioning and a soldering iron for precise pin work. After cleaning off any excess flux, I inspect the pins under magnification to confirm every joint is solid. Notice the difference here. The new port shows clear, well-connected pins compared to the damaged one where the entire port had basically pushed down and hidden the pins. With everything looking good, I solder the anchor points, reassemble the console and plug it in. We check, we have a working display, and it's a nice clean HDMI signal once again. If your Xbox or PlayStation has a broken HDMI port and you'd rather let a pro handle it, I offer this repair here in the UK. I'll put a link down in the description and in the comments section where you can book the repair if you need it. And I cover every model of PlayStation and Xbox. Every repair comes with full testing and a warranty because I know how frustrating it is when you just want to get back to your game. Thank you very much for watching. If you found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos of behind the scenes console repairs. See you in the next one.